Chapter 4. Inserting Objects in Word. Chapter Surf. Inserting Shapes. Inserting word art. Inserting pictures. Inserting clip art image. Editing a picture. We all know that Word is basically a word processing software. It is used to type, edit and format texts. It also has a built-in gallery of text styles and effects which can be used for banners or headings. Not only this, but it also allows us to insert pictures and draw shapes. Inserting shapes. Word provides ready-made shapes that can be used in a document. We can format the shape and even write text in it. There are 8 categories of shapes: lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts. To insert a shape in a document, Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Shapes option in the Illustrations group. The Shapes gallery opens. Step 3. Choose a shape from the gallery and click on it. Step 4. Drag in the document area to draw the shape. Formatting a shape. When we insert a shape, a new Format tab appears on the ribbon. This tab contains commands to format the shape. Some of the commonly used shape formatting options are Shape Fill, Shape Outline and Shape Effects. These options have some more sub-options. Adding text in a shape. Step 1. Right-click on the shape and select the Add Text option. The cursor appears inside the shape. Step 2. Type the required text. Inserting word art. Word art command is used to write decorative text in a document. It looks impressive and attractive. It is generally used to write headings. To insert word art text in a document, Step 1. Click on Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click on Word Art in the text group. The Word Art gallery opens. Step 3. Click the style of your choice. The Word Art text box appears. Step 4. Type the required text and click outside the Word Art text box. The decorative text in Word Art style appears in the document. Formatting word art. When we insert word art text, a new Format tab appears on the ribbon. This tab contains commands to format the word art text. Some examples of these commands are Text Fill, Text Outline, and Text Effects. Inserting pictures. We can insert our pictures in a document to make it attractive. Step 1. Click on Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click on Picture in the Illustrations group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 3. Select a picture to be inserted. Step 4. Click on Insert button. Inserting clip art image. Clip art is a collection of pictures or images that can be imported into a document. Step 1. On the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click on Clip Art button. The Clip Art pane opens. Step 2. In the Search For box, type a word for which you want to search clip art images and click on Go button. A gallery of clip art images is displayed. Step 3. Click on the image you want to insert. A menu appears. Step 4. Click on Insert option. The word inserts the selected clip art in the document area. Editing a picture. After inserting a picture, we can edit it. We can resize, rotate, or crop it. Resizing a picture. When we select a picture, we can see small white boxes and circles around the picture. These boxes are called the resize handles. The resize handles are used to resize a picture. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over any of the resize handles. The mouse pointer changes its shape from 2. Step 2. Now click on the resize handle and drag the mouse carefully to resize the picture to the required size. Rotating a picture. When we select a picture, we see a circle with an arrow on the top of the picture. This circle is called the rotate handle. The rotate handle is used to rotate a picture. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the rotate handle. The mouse pointer changes its shape from 2. Step 2. Now click on the rotate handle and drag the mouse to rotate the picture. Cropping a picture. Cropping means to remove an unwanted portion of an image. Step 1. Double-click on the image to open the Format tab. Step 2. Click on Crop in the Size group. We see crop handles on the edges of the image. Step 3. Drag these crop handles inwards to crop and press Enter key to complete the cropping process.